And here's I will show you how to set featured photos as your call background in Samsung Galaxy A16 mobile. Go ahead and open the phone or contact app. Here tap on this three dot, tap on settings. Here tap on call background. And here you will find the preview of your current call background. To change, tap on background. And here tap on featured. And now you can go ahead and select a photo or a video from this featured section for your call screen. Or you can tap on gallery. And now from your gallery, you can go ahead and select a video or a photo for your call screen background and then just tap on set as call background. And this is how we can do it. Thanks for watching.